Which way round are you going, Stephen? So I'm going to go over the city, Altona South. Which way are you going to go?
It's making confusion. I'm going no way.
You just go that way.
No
He's just going to head west and go. Hello again from Moorabbin Airport. It's rather early and it's cold. Morning. Thanks, Dave. All right, we have fuel now. Echo Yankee Zulu is ready to go. I'll explain what we're doing along the way. I think we've got a passenger today, and there's two planes flying, not just Echo Yankee Zulu. We've got an old friend on the channel, someone I think if you've watched this channel for a while, you might recognise. And of course, we'll see who's fastest, yeah?
I'll be up.
What do you mean it'll be you?
KJN, every day.
You've got an extra blade. That's too much drag on your front.
It's trust, we trust.
All right, see you there.
Right, hey.
All right, we're good, mate.
You all good?
Safer?
Righto.
Good. You good to go, Shannon?
Sure am.
Grampians Tower, Echo Yankee Zulu is ready. Holding point Alpha 8, upwind departure.
Bit cute.
Bit cute, yeah. The two planes going for a little jaunt in the morning.
Runway 35 right.
All right, everything's green.
Echo Yankee Zulu, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Echo Yankee Zulu. Surface pressures are green. Airspeed's coming up on both. 60. All right, 70 knots. We'll go ahead. Bye, Steve. That's pretty.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Ben, and I didn't bring any snacks. I just realised that. I know. Of all the things that I should provide, it's snacks. Hey mate, how you going?
We've just cleared the Avalon control zone on the west side now.
Oh, you're pretty slow. We've landed at Hamilton and we're having a cup of tea. No, we're. I can see you on flight radar. We're pretty much just behind your A-beam, but we're probably about 10 miles north.
Both VFR traffic.
Yeah, I got where you are.
And we're on best power because we want to beat you there as well, just so you know.
You won't even land it now, you're just full power the whole way there.
This is what it would be like if we did one of those big
Oh,
flyaways.
can you imagine?
Just the chat, the sledging on the radio.
Constant competition.
It's quite nice flying low down actually for a change. Like normally I'm at sort of 9, 10.
Definitely not a nice day in Ballarat.
37, cancel speed restrictions.
No.
Speed symbol 237, thank you.
Yeah, I don't think I could get to 4.5.
It seems to be sitting a bit lower than I thought it was gonna.
Yeah, it is. I think it was around, well, it's around 3.5 on the forecasts, but I know that Ballarat had a bit slightly thicker cloud than where we're going to, so I think we'll go through
That little.
this kind of clump.
Yeah.
And then I reckon it'll be, I reckon it'll be like that when we get to Hamilton, but it's going to be a little bit murkier straight ahead.
Typical.
You guys heard the good news?
No, what's the good news?
It's a lovely, warm and toasty 3 degrees up here.
It's 3 degrees.
And I think we all definitely forgot to bring jackets.
That's a negative. We have jackets on board.
We definitely don't.
That collection of white buildings, maybe?
This is the fun bit.
Yeah, finding a regional airport.
At least you have a screen. When I was training, it was literally like a paper map.
Oh yeah, that's how I did it. That's how I did it always, yeah. And your instructor would just be sitting there like
I know,
this.
like with their iPad that you couldn't see, like, I know where it is, what are you going to do?
Yeah,
You
and
just
you'd
sit there
be
like,
flying over the top of it, you'd be going like this.
I know!
I know it's here somewhere.
And then you just see them go,
We're 10 seconds out.
yeah, I'm sure of it.
They're like, they just do this.
Yeah, and you're like, shh.
Kilo November is base runway 35, full stop, Hamilton.
Hamilton traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu joining midfield crosswind runway 35, Hamilton. Doo-doo. Echo Yankee Doo-doo, that's a good one. Pushing me in a little bit, I think.
There's a bit of wind pushing you towards it.
Yeah. Hamilton traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu turning final runway 35, full stop, Hamilton. Rear the centre line there a bit.
All about correction.
Exactly.
My first time here actually. This is Hamilton Airport. It was about an hour's flight from Moorabbin this morning. A beautiful day. I didn't feel much of the flight on the way here, but it was 2,500 feet. Beautiful clear day, a little bit of cloud around Ballarat, but apart from that we came down here without any sort of issues. Still sky. And look, there's no one here. So there is a purpose for being down here at Hamilton Airport this morning. The word help is loosely used in this next sentence, but I'm here to help Stephen and the guys from Blue Demon because there's an aircraft down here that they actually need to fix. I think a tyre's gone on it, so they need to fly some equipment down. They needed to bring Kilo Juliet November down here to fly that equipment down, fix the plane here on the ground, and then fly back to Moorabbin. So yeah, like I said, I'm here to help. Help? My idea of helping is filming this whole exercise, getting in their way, and sharing it here on YouTube. This takes me back, doing a vlog from the wing of Kilo Juliet November. Haven't done one of these for a while. Stephen, I told everybody that I was helping you today, so you need to make it sound like I'm really useful and I'm here for a purpose.
Yeah. Come down and go like this. Can you put it in super slow-mo? And just sit there going like this.
Yes, I can do that. I only need this one shot for the thumbnail. So that's the old one.
Flat tyre.
Flat tyre. New one's already on.
New one's on.
So are we done?
All these things.
Yeah.
Do you like how I say we? Are we done? Yeah.
We all contributed.
Shannon, I had a hammer a second ago and I almost hit something with it.
Well,
Do you know what? We've helped.
See?
Yeah.
We were the entertainment.
Who do we invoice, Steve? I need a shot of you waving, otherwise it doesn't make sense. That's better, thank you.
Long run. Talking to Steve. Avalon approach, Echo Yankee Zulu, severe fast, Cirrus SR22. We are 10 miles to the west, transiting your zone overhead 3,500.
Okay, Yankee Zulu, thanks. Be advised there'll be multiple IFR aircraft holding overhead Avalon Aerodrome, and then on 36 VOR approach. Be a Seminole Victor Delta Echo, followed by a 172 Bravo Sierra Victor.
Copy the traffic, thanks, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Oh, look at that.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Avalon approach, you read?
It's crazy.
Sierra Victor, you are cleared to Moorabbin Fire.
That's actually just a...
Avalon QNH is 1026.
Oh, look at them all.
Moorabbin Tower, Echo Yankee Zulu is at Bay West, 1,800 on descent, inbound with Sierra.
Yankee Zulu Tower, join base, runway 17 right.
17 right, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Yankee Zulu, clear to land.
Clear land, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Oh, that's how you know they're quiet.
Yeah, if we clear to land from here.
Traffic, 9 o'clock.
500.
Altitude, less than 1 mile.
They just love when everything screams at you.
Yep.
Traffic, 10 o'clock. High, 2 miles.
Balls like this coming into Moorabbin. Always.
Nice.
Thank you, thank you. My daughter's obsessed with learning the phonetic alphabet at the moment.
Aww.
And so to the extent that we've been practicing it, and like every time a plane goes over, she says, "Oh, tell me the letters," and I'll like tell you what it is like for it. And she got told off by her maths teacher yesterday because she was reading out the phonetic alphabet in maths instead of doing it at work.
No.
Saying to her, do you know what? You should always concentrate on your maths and do. But I'm really proud of you.
It's really bad, but
But well done.